I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming service right away. Show your ticket or open your app and locate the train number and scheduled departure. Once done, move to the departure screens and find the same train entry to see platform and real-time status. This prevents last-minute scrambling. If the display is crowded or delayed, walk to the station information desk or use the station app. Staff can confirm platform changes. Make sure you leave enough time to reach the platform comfortably. Once the platform is posted, head there promptly and choose the quickest route, stairs, lift, or ramp, so you arrive before the train. When on the platform, locate coach and seat indicators or digital boards that show where specific carriages stop. This saves time when boarding. Make sure you stand behind the yellow line and listen for PA announcements about carriage alignment or late platform changes. If crowds form, position yourself near the displayed coach, marking to board efficiently. When doors open, board calmly and have your ticket or card ready to validate. Many systems require tapping or showing the ticket on board. Stow luggage in designated racks or overhead space, then move to your assigned coach or seat and settle in so others can board quickly. Keep an eye on the conductor's announcements and the route display. If you miss the train or discover a platform change, immediately seek station staff or the ticket office to rebook or get instructions. This is usually the fastest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.